What's up, Cannon? It's your girl Cameron. I'm back with another video, and today we just doing a wig install. So y'all already know. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Tune in, and also y'all, this is the install from one of my Temu wigs. So yeah, tune in. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so y'all know the routine. This the wig we're gonna be installing today. It's 22 inches and it's like that blonde color. 13 by 4. So yeah, let's get into it. Me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Just acting like they really shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever try people. They thought I was gonna fall off. I hate that bring you bad news. Do so many racks a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to later only time I'm back and forth. Rich niggas. Broke niggas make you pay. Rich niggas get you.
We've been down. Oh, access my regular. I'm talking. Things for better.
it down. We're going with a half up, half down look, right? But we're not gonna take all hair up. We're just taking like, I feel like I need to show y'all so y'all understand what I'm talking about.
You do? But I can wait. Right now, let's do the damn thing. Mara, you look, wow.
Right back at you. Why, thank you.
Hey, it's new beginnings.
And I need these to be
I'm
even.
not asking for a clean slate. I'm asking for a chance to show you that I'm not the man who disappears anymore. I'm the man who stays.
I guess. True hero. Was our song. When did you do this?
That was me.
Alright, so boom. And then it's gonna be up, but it's gonna be back like this. So that's why I gotta make sure that this is right. So if y'all can see that one, I can't see this one. So I need to get this one right. Alright, y'all, so boom.
Conference championship sent us a little message.
Yo, Trevor Michaels here with the Eastview Baseball Squad. Folks want to talk about Brixton and they MLB wannabe? But let me make one thing clear. They ain't never beat us. So bring that smoke, baby, because we coming.
Y'all, this is gonna be so cute. So I'm just about to go ahead and wine curl it. And oh, we're just gonna go ahead and
deliver our response on the field.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is one in a million. Goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love.
alright, y'all. So I was gonna try to do wine curl, but if y'all see this one, it's like, I don't know, I don't like it. So until I can get my other attachment, we just gonna wait it and let her roll like that. So I'm finna spray her with some water and some mousse. Okay, so this is it wet. I didn't like stop it because I want it to be like kind of big and frizzy. But yeah, that's how we're gonna do this.
I saw the article in the Atlanta News. Excuse me, A.D. Taylor, but it's President Patterson. And the only thing that matters is that now the board is leaving it up to me to determine which department gets building. Oh, I have several faculty pitches scheduled for this afternoon, but if you'd like to submit one on behalf of the athletic department, please.
Give me anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my.
Alright, y'all, so I was letting them it just sit. I'm really aggravated because I got this one how I wanted it to be, but this one really was just like fucking with that. It was doing its own thing. But anyway, y'all, the look is eating, okay? It's eating. So all I'm doing right now is high combing this side flat. And both sides flat. Eat, eat, eat. Munch, munch. Don't ever bother me, okay? And then, boom. So this is how the look came out. The only thing that I'm kind of like disappointed about is the density of this wig. It's not full how I want it to be, but we gonna make it work. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the hair. So y'all see, this how I want the edges to be, but this one's it's okay. It's not too bad. So yeah. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.